Did you know that the amount of plastic in our oceans now outweighs the number of fish in our ocean? Hi, I'm Stevie Lomas, the CEO and founder of the Camel Soap Factory, a sustainable skincare brand with over 10 years experience in the market. I'd like to share with you 3 reasons to move to solid hair care products. Firstly, solid hair care products help you reduce plastic waste in the bathroom. Every person uses, on average, 10 shampoo bottles and 5 conditioner bottles per annum. Secondly, solid hair care products can save you money. You use a lot less product to achieve exactly the same result. And finally, solid hair care products are great for the environment. Liquid shampoos and conditioners in their plastic bottles are transported around the world at great environmental cost. Become part of the movement for change by purchasing our new shampoo and conditioner bars on our website. Even the smallest change can make a difference.